home is a question that Suh often grapples with and sometimes even resists in his practice, because for him, it is a vehicle to explore the spaces that we carry with us. My name is Dina Akhmadeeva. I'm the co-curator of the exhibition Do Ho Suh with the House, which is on at Tate Modern now. The exhibition brings together the breadth and depth of Suh's practice across 3 decades through a series of 9 installations, a number of which have been newly created for Tate Modern, including some of his most famous fabric architecture works that he is best known for, one-to-one manifestations of the spaces in which he has previously lived and worked. Do Ho Suh often says that space for him is that which encompasses everything. His fabric architectures emerged out of this idea of clothing a home somehow. He was interested in the closest possible space to the body. And for him, it's both the architectural space that visitors will experience in the exhibition, but also psychological space that he hopes visitors will bring to their experience of the work. In that, I think, quite radical act of vulnerability in manifesting the spaces that have been significant to him throughout his life, from across different geographies. He hopes that somehow these architectures will become carriers or temporary holders or vessels for memories or imaginations of the visitors who pass through during the show. This impermanence is one that is absolutely essential to the way that he works. He talks about the Buddhist principle of the impermanence of all things that he often also hopes to embody through the works that he creates, using delicate paper or delicate fabric that are at the same time one-to-one renderings of these previous spaces, and yet somehow these ghostly specters of them, they're never quite exactly the same. They have their own life.